Hello, welcome to Igbo Galaxy, where we teach you how to learn the Igbo language in simple and interactive ways. In this video, we'll be looking at illness in Igbo and English language. Let's begin. Kanibido. Cough, Ụkwara, cold, oyi, catarrh, azụzụ, fever, ahụ ọkụ, headache, isi ọwụwa, stomach ache, afọ mgbu, toothache, eze mgbu, back pain, azụ mgbu, body pain, ahụ mgbu, malaria, ịba, diarrhea, afọ ọsịsa, vomiting, ọgbụgbọ, sore throat, akpịrị mgbu, eye pain, anya mgbu, eye infection, ọrịa anya, wound, ọnya, swelling, ọzịza, weakness, ike ọgwụgwụ, high blood pressure, ọbara mgbali elu, tuberculosis, ụkwara nta. Remember, anything that has to do with pain in Igbo is called mgbu. So let's say I have pain in the hand, I can just simply say aka mgbu and so on. Please subscribe to Igbo Galaxy, share and like our videos. Bye bye. Kemesia.